Calypso rice to me has always been a dish that is vibrant as the Caribbean culture that it's rooted in. Today, I am going to show you how to make Calypso rice, my version, with unique flavors and a tip to get the best texture rice every single time. We are going to be making a delicious Calypso rice in just a few minutes, and I've already pre-boiled the rice and I gave it a little bit of oil that would allow it to grain out a little bit, and I would get the nice shelly texture of the rice. So this is 2 cups of dry rice that I boiled for 16 minutes to get this texture, and then I add a little bit of oil and I greased it and allow it to cool down. Let's get to our pot. We have our pan on medium to high heat, and I'm adding 3 tablespoons of oil because we have a lot of vegetables to saute. We're going to start off by adding our white onions. And today I am not going to call out the amounts. I have it listed, so I will add it down in the description box so that you will find the full recipe. And I'm adding a little bit of tomato paste to give it a tomato flavor and some color, but I have to cook out the acid from the tomato paste. After about 3 minutes, it should look like this. I'm adding just a little bit of chili flakes, which is optional. I am adding some finely chopped carrots, some yellow bell peppers chopped, and some red bell peppers chopped. And we are trying to get a Calypso color palette. We're going to cook this for about 3 minutes. The carrots are very finely chopped, so it should cook in no time. After 4 minutes, I'm going to add a little bit of bouillon. This is vegetable bouillon. You can use vegetable Maggi if you have that. And I'm going to begin to add my rice. I don't have to worry about the rice clumping because the rice itself was greased with some oil. Already you can see a beautiful texture. Fold it in to get all the vegetables covered over the rice. Add a little bit of salt, and you add salt to taste. You have a nice flavor with the tomato paste. I'm adding a little bit of parsley and some chopped green onions, and I have one last ingredient to add to this, which is optional. You don't have to, especially if you're allergic. I'm adding some chopped pineapples to this. And our Calypso rice is done. Now, how easy was that? If you are looking for a recipe that is sure to impress, Calypso rice is definitely it. If you enjoy making this recipe with me, give the video a thumbs up, a subscribe, help me to grow my channel by sharing, tell a friend to tell a friend to tell another friend, and see you in another one of my recipes.